Liam, are you Caesar
What?
or is the monkey Caesar?
Oh, she's
Are you both Caesar?
no, I'm not Caesar.
You're Liam? Yeah.
I think it's Caesar.
And that's Caesar. Gotcha.
I am his stepfather.
You're not what?
I am his father.
You're not his father or you are his father?
I'm not. Dad. Daddy is I his father.
Oh.
I, Daddy is my, I, Daddy is, I, Daddy is my hero.
Daddy's your hero?
Yep.
Dad, no, he said daddy is my
My
hero.
hero.
Yeah, I said that.
Oh.
He
Yeah.
is my hero. He is
Let me see you do Caesar.
okay.
Do it good. Let me see your face do it.
No, you do it, Liam.
Yeah, do it again. No, we'll just do
Yes,
your
Caesar.
Caesar.
You do it.
No, but do the roar, because I want to see you. I want to see you do the roar. Whoa. Hot dang! I feel like I'm being attacked by a chimp.
Does your throat hurt?
No.
No.
I was sick, Mommy.
Am I sick?
Yeah.
No.
I'm sick or is he sick?
No, I don't think anybody's sick.
Is Caesar sick?
No.
I fall at 5.
You're not neither. You're 3.
Did you see it? It's not here, Gina.
You are 4?
How old do I look? 1?
Yeah.
That's impossible.
It is 11.
It is.
Your thumbs.
No, no thumbs.
Just this.
Yeah.
Tyler asked me if he was 11 like this.
Did you have a good day, a good time with Auntie today,
And
Liam?
how
Liam, did you have fun with Auntie today?
What did you do with Auntie today?
Liam, what did we do today? Liam, what did we do today?
I dance you and go to more backstage and have a cookie. And eat cookie.
Do you love Auntie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love Uncle for getting you the monkey?
That's like about.
It's kind of black and brown.
No. Is he black? Is he black or brown?
He's brown.
He's black.
But if he was black, there'd be nothing wrong with that.
He still have the black after he the black at the door. Look, he wrote the black. But he is
Do one more Caesar.
okay.
Whoa.
Is he funny?
Yeah.
Yep.
What do you say to Uncle for getting that for you?
This?
Yeah.
I see very good.
Yeah, you think
And peas.
Please.
Peas and carrots?
Yeah, pizza and carrots. I forgot. Pizza and carrots.
This is Sheldon signing off.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
I love you, Auntie.
I love you, Auntie.
And Uncle.
And Uncle. Can I have some cheese?
No.
Can I